Hi, I'm John. Welcome to Concord Village in Avon. We've designed this community for every stage in life, and I can't wait to show you around. Concord Village is an excellent choice for young couples buying their first home or those who are ready to finally sell the big old empty nest and make life more carefree and fun. Your new townhome will be low maintenance inside and out, including having all the lawn maintenance and snow shoveling done for you. You'll have the space of a single family home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an attached 2-car garage. Add an optional finished rec room for even more space or to host a big game. Our homes are designed for easy maintenance. And did I mention that they're covered by a 10-year structural warranty? Have kids? Avon schools are highly rated, so you can have the confidence in your children's education. And you'll love our location. I-90 is just a half-mile away for quicker commutes, so you'll have more time before and after work to enjoy the things you want to do. When your work week is over, make the most of every weekend minute. Challenge your buddies and yourself at one of our many local golf courses. Schedule a visit on our website today or just stop by. We can't wait to meet you.